Okay. So you have done your work?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get that work.
Oh, right, I haven't sent it.
You haven't done it?
No, I haven't sent it. And I did the first non-verbal sheet, but then, okay, wait, let me send it and I'll tell you.
Yup. Send it now.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 second.
I'm waiting. CGP space.
Yeah, but I'm sending it. Today I feel like I want to do, somehow, I want to do all 4, but that's not possible. So,
Did you find any doubt in solving the questions for the work given in the homework?
yeah. Uh,
Hmm?
can I have pen and then, like, I'll tell you um, which, what?
Yep.
Book it was, I think. So, can you, like, go down? It was this one. No, can you go up? This one or this one? One of those. Yeah, I think it was this one. Yep, I remember it was that one.
I asked you, like, did you find any doubt?
Yes.
Hmm.
In the one in non-verbal, and for the square and square root, and for the square root and cube root, I have 2 doubts because first of all, I didn't have time to do it, so basically, but so I did one of them, but then for the second one, I was trying to find a different way so I don't have to write it and do the whole thing to write to write it to and in that I only had 2 minutes left and I couldn't understand a easier way. So if we
Hmm.
do this first, then we can do that one.
Are we at these or
No,
something else?
no, something else. Nope, nope, nope.
Was this the same book or another one?
Yeah, this is a different book. It was the other one. Oh
I guess
no.
it's spatial, right? Spatial.
No, the other one that I circled. There were 2. It could be spatial. I don't know. It's this. I think it's this one. Oh, never mind.
Hmm.
Nope, it's not spatial. Spatial is about cubes. I don't know that, but it's this one.
This one?
No, no, yeah, this one. Yeah. No, this one. Yeah. No, 100% it's that one.
Hmm.
Hopefully. Um,
This
next.
page?
No. If it's not this, then wait. Can you go back? I think it was. Yes. So it was next. It was this one, and it
Test
was
number. Hmm.
So the one that no,
And this one also?
no, it was only two, and
Okay.
this was the one that I had doubt in. The last one, this one, I had doubt in that.
Only in the this last one of test two. And what about these side? This side?
I didn't have a doubt.
Okay.
I can explain. Oh
No,
no,
if you have done it well, then let's go ahead.
as you can tell. Um, I didn't understand the last one, so you have to find the figure that looks the same. And like
Okay,
all of them look the same.
let me zoom in first. Chum, 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 chum. Hmm. Okay, go ahead. Like this fifth one, right?
Yeah.
So what doubt did you face in? Like, do you see some kind of similarities in
No.
this?
The
No,
whole thing is similar to all the shapes.
no. In these two, do you
There's a shape.
find any similarities?
There should be a shape inside, and there's a shape inside a shape inside a shape. That's all I know.
I find a
Okay.
kind of observation.
So the black shape inside the triangle has three
Hmm.
sides, and the inside one has one more side than this one, and that's the same with this one because this one has one, two, three, four, and the pentagon inside has four plus one, which is five. Was
Not
that
like
you
that.
notice?
No, I didn't notice that.
Oh, but
You may
first
try
we can
different
start
angle.
with one, two, three, four, five. So that might be correct. That might be correct. One, two, three, four. This is for takeaway one, so it can't be C.
Three. Hmm.
Bye bye C. So, and then D has, yep, D is correct. This one is also takeaway. So we ruled out two. What was your observation?
The shape which we observe, like
This one has a 90-degree, and this also has a 90-degree.
the first thing I observe here, like this shape. Let me use my pen. Wait, where is my pen? Look. So I see in this particular shape overlaps here and here, and this also, this side and this side. Two times it overlapped, right?
Uh huh.
So this is what I noticed the first thing. Okay, so that is the first thing I noticed. This middle shape actually has overlapped two times, right?
Hmm.
With two sides. Like in this also, this is common, and also this is common, right? Did you notice that?
Yeah. So it can't be A. I would cross it out.
Yes, it can't be A. Now let us observe more. So this shape, mm,
I think the answer is B because you know how
yes,
you said about the
yes,
overlapping. I
yes,
think
yes, yes,
D has like it's a really big overlap, and this is a really big overlap, but these are supposed to be tiny little overlaps.
yes, yes, right.
Is that what you thought it was, or like
Yes, yep. B is the correct answer actually. So
yeah?
because like the same thing which we have noticed, like right, two
Mhm.
sides of the length, like in this
Yeah, the
overlapping
length is like
exactly
this
in the
big.
same way, right?
Yes. Yes. Yep. Okay. And for the cubes and cube roots, I didn't really do much. I only did one question because I didn't have time, and that's why I joined late. Because
Um, yeah. So this one, you had only one question that was part of doubt, or
yeah,
anything else?
no, no, the rest was easy.
Okay. All right.
For the
This
Cuban cube rich one, yeah.
this one was also not difficult, if you could observe.
For the Cuban cube roots one, I was trying to find a different way that's actually easy, so I only do it mentally, but I couldn't find it, and yeah. So, is there a different way for it?
The last time, I told you some of the ways that will help you with options. Like, this was like in cube, three times you may multiply the same number, or the basically unit digit thrice, and to find the root value system, you just need to go through like 10 to the power 3, 20 to the power 3, 30 to the power 3, right, in the cube. But in the case of
No,
square, direct.
I know what question I have, so if you can use like paper so I can understand.
Okay, shall I bring whiteboard, you mean, right?
Mm-hmm. I can also
Wait.
get it, I think.
No, not that whiteboard. That doesn't work well.
Where do
Yes,
you get the white wood from?
this whiteboard I get from OneNote.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay. Um. So my question is, if the answer was, or the question, whatever. The second question, which I didn't do, is 1156. So
Write
if
it here.
yeah, if we take 1156, you know how you said that it was a 10 to the power of 2, 20 to the power of 2, or 3, whatever, 30 to the power of 2, then you can find that 31.
Is this cube? Is this cube or
No, it's
uh,
square right now.
okay? So
So
yes,
if it was 30 to the power of 2, then we would take 31 times that 31, which gets you 1 times 1 is 2, and
yes,
this
30
is
to the
1.
power 2 is equal to 900, so it is more than 900, right?
Yeah.
So it may fall
So
in the same case, yes.
so 1 times 1 is 2, so it can't be 6, so then we try 33 and all of that.
Hmm.
So what I don't understand is if it's 1156, how you're supposed to get how I am supposed to know if it's 10 to the power of 2 or 20 to the power, or that's whatever that is to the power of 2.
That is easy. Like this would be nearest 930. I know the table of 3. That is easy for me. 3 3 is a 9, and the
Yeah.
power of 2, so that there would be two zeros.
Yeah.
So this
It
is easy
would
for me.
do with anything.
Yes, and 40 to power 2, that means 16 and double zero, right?
Yeah, yeah, but why do you have to try find that?
I can just see the number first. The number is 1156. I would see around like it would be around what? If I go with 20, I would just check it. Like if I go with 10, it would be 100. So I
Yeah.
wouldn't, I just try to go nearest. Like I remember these things. And about what about this 400? Can you find it easily or not? Like 20 to power 2 is equal to 400.
No, so it can't be 10, it can't be 20.
20. So we'll
And
check 30.
900 isn't that close either. But 106.
Yes,
900 isn't close, but 1600 is bigger
it's
than
far. Yes.
900.
Yeah, so we will pick this.
So, what do we pick?
900. Of course.
Yeah, but what do we do with 900 then? Then we go
The
from 31,
31
32,
to
33.
39. Between
Okay.
31 to
So,
39.
can you give me a number? And then I'm going to say which this is in, because I don't think I get it.
Okay. Let me erase all of these.
Or you can scroll down. That's what I do. Without to waste of.
171764.
That's too big.
That's too big. 1764 you can try.
Oh, never mind.
Firstly,
Never mind. When you say it, I sound weird.
firstly find the base root value
Yes,
for
that's what
this.
I need. What do I do? Oh, right, right.
Find root value.
Do I just? I forgot what I just. Oh, I got it. I got it. 5 times 5 is 25.
It is too much, too much, much more.
Okay.
One step
Much more.
back.
Oh yes, much more. Okay. Uh,
No. Yes, yeah, yeah, yes, 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 yes. Good job.
now what do I do? Now if I take
So
40, which was 2500, so now I have to find it between 40 and 50. So 41 times 1 is the answer 42.
yes, right. You need to only check, always you need to check a unit digit only, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yes. 2 times. Yeah.
One more question, wait, one more
Yeah.
question.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
2704. 2704. So you can guess it would not be 40 because it was 1600. You can directly mentally guess why you're even writing it in mentally, like 4 4 is 16 and double zero. 5 5 is 25 and double zero. Mentally you can get it, right?
Oh,
Are you getting my point, Prisha?
is the answer 52?
Yes, you are getting smart. Wait.
And I use
Hmm.
color or pen or whatever.
I won't let you be that much smart. Not say this.
Okay. Is it 63?
Wow. Wonderful. You're doing it mentally. Wonderful.
My.
Okay. Wait, 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 wait. A little more harder. This one. 7225. You know, this is ending with 25. I told you a trick. You remember that or not?
Yes. Um. Yes. Okay.
This can be broken in two parts. If you do not remember, you can still apply this matter which I told.
No, no, no. Wait, wait, wait. Uh.
At the end, there would be five. That is
Is
sure.
the answer? Is the answer 85?
Yes, good job. Because 8 multiplied with 9 is equal to 72, right?
So
This is the trick I told you. You remember or not? You forgot. Huh? Okay, like 75. What is the square of 75? I told you, like, always go one number ahead and multiply with that, and that would be answer. Having 25 at the end, and this part would be having the multiplication of these two. So, what would be the answer?
5625.
Yes. Did I tell you this or not? I guess I
Yeah,
told.
you did. You did. Yeah. That's
Um,
only that only works for the numbers with ending at
yes,
5.
yes, yes. You're right. You're right. What about 65 square? Square of 65.
The answer would be 4225.
Good job. Okay. By the way, square root. So now tell me, mhm, 868649. Tell me that.
The um the square root.
Yes, the square root.
When the circle in black. Wait, okay. I'm not able to see this. Can you like scroll it down because I can't really see. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now I can see. Um.
Mhm.
93.
Wow. Good job. So you got mastery in this square root. What about
Yep.
cube root?
Um.
Give me some questions you were confused in from the worksheet.
The first one is 512.
Write it here.
Can you? I don't like message when I write that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Square
three,
root.
yes, three times it must be multiplied with something to get this two, right?
Yeah. So it needs to be a
But
lower number.
first thing we need to find the base value. So this
Yeah.
is 512. So it would be nearest what? Base value would
Do
be in
I
the same way,
still?
like 10 to the power 3, 20 to the power 3, and 30 to the
I
power
think
3.
it's. I think it will be 20 to the power of 3. No, 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 no.
Wait, you can't do that. Even it would not be the 10 to the power 3. 1 and 3 zeros. It is more than that.
Oh,
So we got this. Like this would be below. This would be below
10.
10. Yes. So now try
Okay.
to see that.
So okay. So the answer would be um. Look. So if we do 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, which is terrible. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 7. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 4 is 8. 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. Wait, wait. Okay.
Keep on checking. You are going right way. Now next number. Pick the
7
next
times
number.
7 is 49. 9 times 7 is 63. 8 times 8 is 64. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 is the answer.
Good job. And remember, like every cube, if that is ending, the base is ending with 0, how many zeros will be there in cube?
3.
Always 3, right? And you
And I
already
think
know like the cube of 2. Cube of 2 is what?
cube of 2 is not 8.
Very good. Cube of 3 is what?
Cube of 3 is 27.
Good job.
Think
And then
so.
3 zeros. So like this, yes. Then like this, you will be able to find the base value, right?
Up to 5, yes.
Yeah, up to 5. That is okay because it would not be more advanced in your
Yeah.
GL exam.
Can you give me another?
Okay. Yes, yes. Any question left from your
I'm
worksheet?
going to
Like
take a.
you had done.
Yeah, that's 17 questions. I'm going to take the fifth question, which is 1728.
Write it here.
I can't write. There we go, yeah. 1728.
Firstly, find the base value. 1728.
Okay.
10 or 20. Two options you are having for base value.
Yes. And because I need to find the square root, I mean cube root, it takes. I think the answer will be for the base is 10,
Very
but
good.
upper 10, like not
Hmm.
12 or
Hmm.
13. So we're
Hmm.
gonna start. I'm gonna start with 4, 5 actually. No, 6, 6, 6.
Why? 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 You are going to struggle if you are starting with 5. It could be before 5 as well.
Okay,
Yes.
let's start with 2 then. Don't think it's 1. 2 times 4 is 2 times. So wait, 2 times 2. What?
2 times 2 is 4.
Yeah,
And 4 times 2.
it's
3 times
8.
3 need only.
Oh, well, yeah, right, right.
You're getting
So
confused.
it's 12.
Yes, it's 12 to the power 3.
It was
Got it?
12. I was starting with 5.
Yes. And one more thing. Prisha, now just observe this. Prisha,
Mm-hmm.
just observe this. The unit digit. This is the cube of what? You could simply observe why we were going with 5. This is the cube
Oh,
of what? 8 is the cube of what?
2.
2. So firstly try to observe the unit digit is that cube of anything. Sometimes it can be like two of them. Like, okay, so just
Yeah.
try finding unit digit if that is matching with any cube
Why will it
units.
be 2 digit?
No, that was wrong. Just don't mind it. So I was talking about this one digit. Just pick this. Okay.
Yeah. Next question is 2 1 1 3 3 1. I already know the answer. 21 2197.
Write it there. What is that?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Is it 2197? Yeah, 2197.
Yep.
The base value will be 20
Why
20
20? Why? 20,
because
20, it would be 8,000, you know?
oh
It
yeah.
would be 8,000, you know?
So two what was it?
2197.
So it's not 20, that would be 8,000. So
Yes, good job.
10 would be 1,000. So yeah.
Yes, above 1,000, right?
Yeah. So 7, can 7 be a cube number?
No, it's not there. So that method would not always work. So you may just not try step by step method
Where you write the whole thing.
where I wrote the whole thing.
Wait. So the base is that. So if I
Mm-hmm.
start with um 2, is the answer 13?
Mm-hmm. Good job. Any more question?
Uh, it's 2197. Yeah, 2744.
Write it there.
But you know what I'm gonna?
Again, it is less than 8,000, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna 27443375.
Hmm. They all are less than 8,000. It means the base value would be what in each case?
10.
Very good.
Should I take some that is above 8,000?
Mm-hmm, you can.
Exactly 8,000. I think that's enough for now. So 2744. Okay. So for this one, since it's 10, if I go with 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 4 is 64. So it's 14 is the answer. Is that
Good job.
correct?
Yeah, right. You may write it well if you're writing in the question form. This would be written like this.
No, it's not equal to 16. It's equal to 4. What are you doing?
I'm just mentioning cube root. It is. So
Is that how you write it? I didn't know that. Okay, next. 3,
what did
3.
you do? You wrote just 4. That is 14 or 4?
That is 14.
Yes.
It's written 14 right there.
Yep. Okay.
3375. It's still in the base of 10. So, and it ends in 5. Okay. So, if 2274 is with 4, I mean, like 4 times
Do you
4.
know
So,
in this case, in the case of 5, there is only one digit which can produce 5. That is
5.
5. Yeah. So why are
Oh,
you being confused? Yes.
oh, I've got such a terrible color. The answer to this is 16.
Mm-hmm.
Are they in order?
Shall I give you more questions?
8,000.
8,000 is easy. You already know it. Why are you just pretending?
30. Oh, yeah, right.
30?
20. Wait, no. Why Are there like full numbers? Why am I writing? Oh my! I don't get this. Why are there like full numbers like 8,000? 92619. That is uh, in the base of
20
20.
only. Yes.
20. So 21.
Good.
21. Uh, it's in the base of 10. Yeah, it's in the base of 10.
Mhm.
Um, I don't know. What? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 3. What is 3? 3 is 27. 4 is 64. 5 is. Okay, so 6 times 6. So 7 times 7 is 49. 9 times 7 is 27. 8 times 8 is 64. 4 times 8. 4
Have you
times 8.
checked the seven? Seven
Yeah.
digit?
7 times 7 is 49. 9 times 7 is 63. 17.
You know, this can be much faster if you remember the cubes of these numbers. Like you already know up to 5. Cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 2 is, tell me fast.
8.
Cube of
8.
3,
27.
4,
64. And
5.
225.
Sorry? 2 to
2,
5 or 1 to 5?
125.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
for 225 is for 15.
And 6.
I have no idea.
If you remember up to 9, na, that will help you to understand the unit digit. Then all the question would be much faster for you.
Yeah.
If you can manage to learn these like 3, 4, 3. That you were being confused in this unit digit, so you could get an idea here. What
How
about
I can
8?
I don't know. How I can remember six cubes is 6. So 6 and then 3 will separate that equals
Hmm.
2. 6 will go at the back. 3, if you split it up, it's 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3.
Yes.
So 6 cube will be split of 3, 2 and 1, and then 6, 2 and 1, 6, 2 and 6.
So these are four more numbers which you may remember. So it would help you to get the speed. Otherwise, you can still solve the questions. But if you can learn them, your speed would be improved for sure.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I can remember the ninth one. 9 goes at the back, and then 9 take away 2. 9 take away 2 gets you 7.
And what if I tell you another trick that is quite easy in the case of 9?
Yeah. Oh, I get it. 9 goes at the back. 9 times 3 is 27.
No, 9, one number back than 9. What comes before 9? That is 8. So
8.
8 9 ja 72, and at the end we have 9 as digits,
Oh,
right?
yeah. Yeah.
So this is something magical.
Yeah, that's okay. 7 and 8 might be harder. Well, actually, no, because 7, 4, and like 3 is here. Front, back, and 3 plus 4 is 7.
Yes, good job, good observation.
And I'm not even going to learn 8.
Yeah.
Okay, can you, so, so are we done now, or?
I wanted to give you some more question related to cube so that I can understand.
Can you scroll down?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Rock and roll.
Right. Cube root 35,937.
What? Wait, say that again.
Cube root, cube root, cube root is this.
Yeah, I can't draw that.
So you can write under this. Yeah, good
Okay,
work.
yeah, I'll write underneath that.
So this is 35,937.
Yep. No, thank you. Next question.
Sorry, that is wrong. 937, I said.
Oh, my hand.
Next question, 17,576. 576. Next question, 19,683.
Should I start solving?
One more, two more questions.
Oh,
So next question is 1,000, 140,000, 140 and 608. 140,608. 608. 608. 608.
oh my god. I can't hear. Do I need a zero? 1406. Yeah, I can say it.
608. 608. After that, 608.
140608.
Yes. And the next question is this.
Yeah, I can't write it. Okay. 3593. So this is the baseline of 10. Is this the baseline of 10?
Why shall I help? You must know. Is this less than 8,000?
No.
How can you say that this is baseline of 10?
Okay. So if I'm gonna try with 60. 60 would be 3600. So if it's 60, then it should be 50. So 50, I'm not even gonna try it because if it's 30, if 60 is 36, then 50 must be the answer. So we're gonna start with 51. Wait, so
You're
the
getting
answer
confused.
is 53.
53 for this.
Uh huh.
Wait, 50, cube of 50 would be what? You have an idea? What is the cube of 5?
25000.
No, not 2 5. That is square. 25 is a square. I just told you. This is 125.
Oh, oh,
125. And then three zeros. So it would
gotcha.
be so long to go.
Yeah, I was doing just 25.
Yep.
Okay,
Don't mix square thing with cube.
then we can try 30, which will
Hmm.
be 2700, or and then 40. If 40 is um 40 is 6 4, so 30. 30 is the baseline,
Hmm.
equals to um. So if we the 33.
Okay, good.
So is this where I write the answer?
Hmm? No,
Is
this
that
side
where?
you may write this side. Yeah.
Okay. Next, um, 17576. That has a baseline of 30 again.
Who knows?
Wait, 30 was again. 3 was 27, so that's too much. So 20 is 8 though.
Yeah.
Uh, Wait, so 20 is 8,000.
Yes.
30 is 27,000. So
Yes.
I have to go with 20 as the baseline.
Yes.
So then it would be 26.
Okay. Good job. How did you just directly tell 26? You remember 216?
No, it's because I know that 6 times 6 is 36, and what I've remembered is
Hmm.
if it ends in 6, it's the
Hmm.
only number is 6.
Hmm. Good job. Good job. Write the answer.
Yeah, equals to 36. No, 26. Yeah, 26. Okay. 19683 will also be in the baseline of 20, and to this the answer should be 27.
Hmm.
This is in the baseline of 20 as well, and this should be 22. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Next should be in the baseline of also
Wait.
20.
This question, like the last from the second from the last. How can you get 22? Is
Because the
that,
baseline is 20.
are you sure?
Oh wait, I didn't see that another zero. So the baseline would be, if we take 40, then that would be 6 4. No, no.
Why
Yeah,
are you being so much confused? It is like 1 to 5, you must remember. Cube of
yeah.
5 is 1 to 5. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So it is more than that simple.
Okay, so it's more than 50. So
Yes.
if we try 60,
6. That is what 216.
yep, that's 2 and 6. That's
More
less.
than that. That's
So,
less. Is that less? Is that less?
oh, no, 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 that's more. So
Yeah.
then we have to try 50. So 50 will 52.
Yeah. Finally.
Next will be also in the baseline of 50. Yeah, so the answer will be 53.
Hmm. Okay. Good job. All right. Now you got confidence in square root and cube root.
Yeah.
Good.
But what if the numbers are just randomly 57? How am I supposed to find it then?
Number is 57.
Yeah, I
I'll-
have to find the square of 57.
Okay.
That's just like normal, and now this number that
Hmm.
isn't.
Okay. So you want me to explain it in easy way. So one of the way I know, but that is little tricky, but that works for me. So I see this 57 is the number. I can just write like the base, the nearest base I would be taking at is 60. Just understand what I'm going to do. In the beginning, you may feel like it is complicated, but it helps me. So this is 60. So I would just do like how far 60 is from 57. So I would say plus 3 step, right?
Uh,
Did you get my point?
yes, yep.
So I would just get this thing done. 60, I would write here multiplication 60, and then I would do one thing. As I have added plus 3 here, I would subtract I will subtract 3 out of this. So what it would be? 54. Okay. This is the thing which I am going to do. I will explain that how you're getting the answer. So this is what I have done. I have just checked the nearest base value, that is 60, and then I found there's a difference of 3. So This is positive 3, then I'll subtract and I'll multiplying this with this. Now you may say this is being more complicated, but this is being easier for me. This is called mental maths. So I can easily find the table of 54 6 ja. Do you know the method? No, no, not that way. Not that way. I told you the method earlier.
But
I
I found
told
it in
you.
2 seconds.
Oh, then that's good. But I could do it in 1 second. 5 6 are 30 and 4 24. So it would be 324, 324 mentally without using
I know
pen.
it takes me longer, like because my abacus is really bad as well. I can't hold the numbers in my head.
No prob, no prob. Then you can go with that method, simple. Even this is being easier. So that is 324 and there is 10, so I would consider 10 here. Right?
Yes, yeah.
Just multiply this with this number. And now what you need to do, now listen to me. This is very important point. So this is 57. Now we have done what? We have taken 3 as, complement, I can call, right? 3 as
Hmm.
complement to sustain the base value, right?
No, I don't
But
understand that. Three to
you didn't get
complement
that?
the chain of blah, 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 blah.
Hold on. So this was the distance between 56 and the base value we took. We took the base value that is
Okay.
60. True?
Yep. Hmm.
Yes. And then we subtract with the same base, this is called complement. This is called complement, which is the basic difference between the number and the base value. So we have followed the same method. So this is the first thing you need to do. And you have done this, like you have just written the 60 by adding 3 into this number. You have just subtracted 3 from this number. You have written 54. That's what you got or not?
Yep.
Prisha. Okay. Now
No, no,
what
no.
you need to do, you
I
need to
get
look
up
at the
to.
unit digit.
Yep.
So yes. So you need to look at the unit digit. This is 7. Do you know square of 7? I guess you
Uh,
must. Square of 7. Fast.
7 and 8 was the only ones that I don't know. No, no, 343.
7 7
343.
square I'm asking.
Oh, 49. Oh, okay.
Oh, you are telling me cube.
Yeah, I was telling
Okay. So this is 49. That was not that difficult. And now
you.
you need to
Yeah.
add that thing only, and that would be our answer. So
I
our
have no
answer
idea
is
what you're talking about.
3, 2, 8, 5. Sorry?
Oh, I'm
No
sorry.
problem.
I wasn't.
Let's solve another problem.
No, wait. Can I tell? Can you go up? Can you go up? You know how I said 57 square? I didn't
Hmm.
mean square. I meant square root.
So there is no square root for 57.
I know, but you have to go in decimals or something like that.
That is too advanced. That is not part of your syllabus. But if you want to understand, I can teach. But that would be
No,
waste
no.
of
If
time.
it's not in my syllabus, then that's okay. I thought
Yes.
if it comes up, then how am I supposed to do it?
No, there is another method that is called division method. But if that is not required, why you need to learn?
Yeah, okay. Uh, can we do verbal?
Hmm.
I don't like my. I've had enough of lollipops now. My will get cavity, so I must change it now. Jeez. Okay, I
What
like parrot.
what was that? Frame.
That was a
Frame.
parrot.
Yeah, how did you get that frame? No, you got this just a frame, I kind of thing. I didn't get.
Yes, I can get that in game.
Frame. Frame.
Uh huh. There's different types of
Get a frame for me.
frame. There's different type of frame.
Okay, come to the point.
Yes.
Explorer, Prisa the Explorer. Now come to the point. Okay. Last time, what topic we covered from the
Are we doing
book
verbal or
theory
non-verbal?
in non-verbal? And I guess something called like anagram, I guess. Hmm?
Yeah, we finished that though. So can we do today
It was in verbal anagram, I guess. So now the setting line, position, order, question,
building
reflection,
blocks?
rating,
Can we do 3D for building
building
block
block.
61?
This side is quite clear to you? All the
Uh,
topics, once check that.
wait, shape coming.
Because that would be part of spatial reasoning. Once you confirm all these topics, then we may move to that section.
So we did complete the pair, right?
Yeah, complete the pair.
Can we do page? Can we start off with 36 then? Section 3.
Check. Okay.
No, but this isn't spatial. All of this isn't spatial.
Yes, that actually I just wanted you to confirm all the topics under these sections rather than a spatial, where because we'll be doing it particularly in coming classes where we will be covering all the topics related to spatial because they are actually correlated.
Uh, yes,
Do you
and
understand? Yeah.
no, I don't understand.
Spatial
What?
reasoning would have correlation with three dimensions
Yeah.
basically, and sometimes two dimension
Do,
as well,
do you know
right?
what hole punching is?
Hole
Those
punching in
questions.
spatial reasoning, or
No, no. In normal, it comes like this, and it does like a fold, and then in the end, it does a punch, and then you have to find the hole. Okay, leave it. Page 36.
okay. If you can give me an idea of the questions, then I'll be able to help you about hole punching too. Okay, so was this the thing we had done?
We've done this. Yes, we've done this. So next page. That will be complete the series.
Was it completed?
Yes, this part. Complete the series is new what we have to do.
This one also, right?
No, no, we haven't done this.
Up to which
Yeah,
page? Like up to this page, page number 40 we have
no,
done.
no, no. Can you do the next page? Page 39 is what we have to do. Complete the.
Mm.
We haven't done complete the series. Have we? Yeah, no, we haven't. So for complete the series question, you've got to find a figure that completes a series. You'd never have guessed. These questions are all about sequences and patterns. You have to find the missing figure in a series. In complete the series question, you'll be given a set of 5 figures in order with one figure missing. And you've got to choose the option that fills the gap. These are different kinds of series. Things are added and removed. Where so this one's being added every time. Things alternate, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Things repeat, black, black, lines and white, black and lines and white. Things move around. Okay, so it's going in a clockwise direction of the triangle going away. Things change, then change back. So it's like going down and up like a V. When a repeating sequence when a repeating sequence gets to the end, it starts again from the beginning. Work out what the pattern is. Method 1. Find a rule. Look at any elements that change in the sequence to work out this rule. Find the figure that is missing. Find the square. The answer is C. And then for the next one, the answer is
Yeah.
uh, So it's not A, it's not C, it's not B, it's E.
Hmm.
So the answer should be C and it should be E.
Correct. Well done. Yes. Yeah, that's correct.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you understood it already, right?
Yeah, I won't look. Can you do the red square thingy?
Red square? What?
Yeah, to cover up the question.
Okay. Go ahead.
First of all, the next one should be non-sticky. So it should be away, not stick. And if it's there, it should be up on the left-hand corner. So it's not. It should be B. So this one is B. Can you check it because then it goes on to something else.
What did you say?
B.
Yeah, that is correct.
Next is it won't always be the last square that's missing. Any of the five figures in the series could be missing. If the first figure is missing, you might have to work backwards from the end of the series to begin the to series to the beginning to find the answer. If one of the middle figures is missing, look at the figure on either side of the missing square for clues. Method 2. Look at the figure before and after the missing square. Okay. There should be two dots that are black. So it's not these. It should be B. The answer should be B. We will check the next one. How to complete the series questions will have lots of elements changing in different ways. Okay. So it's facing up, then right, then down, then it should be facing left side. So it can't be. It's not D, basically. In the first box, the two squares are together. In the second box, they're not. Third box, they are. Fourth box, they shouldn't be. So they shouldn't be. They shouldn't be apart. They should be. They shouldn't be together. Okay, so the answer is either B or the answer is either E.
The second question is solved. That is correct. That is B. First, also you did well. That was B, and then this one was incorrect. You may read this.
There are four elements that change in this object. The arrow rotates 90 degrees clockwise. It must point left in the answer, which rules out D. What I said, yes. The color of the arrow alternates between black and white. Oh, I didn't see that. The missing square must have a black arrow, which ruled out A, which I did not say. In each series square is rotated, so the arrow points up. The arrows and the cross alternate between being on the left and on the right of the arrow. In the answer, they must be on the right of the arrow. This ruled out B. Okay. The cross moves one place down in each series question. If the series square is turned so that the arrow is pointing up, it must be at the top in the answer. The answer is C. Okay.
Did you understand that?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I understand that, yes. You need to look at the fifth square to work out the cross goes top, middle, bottom, top, middle, no, not top, middle. Yeah, okay, there it goes. Find the figure that is missing square from the series. the next, the answer now should be.
Is it moving in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction?
I didn't even notice if it's moving.
Like it is having those like shaded
Oh,
lines.
yes, it is. That's moving in clockwise. But the shading of the lines, they keep on moving from left, right. So now it should be facing this way, like that.
Hmm.
And which means the answer is A. So for the
That
first
is
one,
rotating, I guess, 90 degree, right? I can say that.
yeah. So
Yeah,
first is A.
good.
And the next one, there's three triangles, and there's two, then there's three, then there's something, then there's three. That means there should be two triangles, not circles anyway. There should be two. Yeah, two triangles. And then there's one circle, two circle, three circle, one two circle then. So the answer should be E.
Good job.
And then in the next one, it's grey, black, white, grey. So it should be a black circle. And it should. The answer is B.
Good.
Then, yeah.
Good observation. Right.
Can I go? Can I just quickly go to the toilet?
Come fast. Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Complete the grid. So the bad news is you've still got one more question type to get your head around in this section. The good news is that it's time for complete the grid, and everyone loves the grid. You have to find the missing figure in a grid. For complete the grid question, you'll get a grid with either 4 or 9 squares. Any one of the squares might be missing, and you've got to you've got to find the figure that fills it. Grid questions can work along rows from left to right, columns from bottom to top, or both. Start by looking at what changes across a row. Row goes from side to side, columns go from up and up. The first thing you should do is look along a complete row. The first thing you should do is look along a complete row to see what happened to each element. Method 1. Find out find out what changes along each row. Look at a row with no gaps and work out what elements change. To find the missing grid, to find the missing grid square, make the same changes to the row with the gap. Changes can happen along rows like this example, or down the columns like the first example on the next page. Okay, not very useful, but so the answer is not E, it's not A. Yeah, it's not A. It's not C. The answer is D. Next. No. Okay. The answer is B.
No, not B.
Okay. So first of all, if they're standing like this, then in the necklace should come like this. If it's standing like this, then it should probably come like that. So that means if it's coming like that, it can't be D and it can't be just D. And it can't be C because there should be double of whatever amount that was. And it can't be E because there should only on one stick there can only be one shape, not two shapes, like the same thing. And the only difference between A and B is that the love heart and the square are on the left and right side. So in the first square on the left hand side on the top, it's like if it's on the left, if the star is on the left hand side, then on the square it's also on the left hand side, but you just have to see it straight when it's straight up. So the line that is above that is below the left hand square. The the love heart is on the left hand side. So that means it should be on the right hand side next. That means the answer is B. No, A.
Yes.
D and A.
Both of them true. Correct. Okay.
Okay, next. Next will be figures might be reflected, rotated, or both. In this example works down the columns instead of across the rows. You can work out what goes in the missing grid square in exactly the same way, just spot what's changed in the columns without the gap. Okay. Wait, okay, so um so now the only thing that we have to look is the circle, which type of line it should have, this or this, and I'm not understanding how.
This is little complicated.
So
Um,
if the line is like this, then it should be like that. That means the gap, the
Actually,
how.
you have picked wrong options like in here. The answer must be D. So you have already cancelled it out.
Oh,
Okay.
can I
You may
read?
go with yes, you may.
In the example, it's difficult to see any connection between the figures along each row. The shapes. Can you move your thing? Row. The shapes are very different. To find the answer, you need to look down the columns. The shapes in each column are more similar than in each row. Looking down the left-hand column, the one without the gap, the whole figure is reflected across. Oh, the one without a gap. No, the line inside the square rotates 45 degrees anti-clockwise, going down the column. The missing square is at the top of the grid, so you'll need to move up the right-hand column to find the answer. You'll have to make the changes backwards. The bottom the bottom right-hand grid square must be reflected across the across to make the top right-hand grid square. The line inside the circle rotates 45 degrees anti-clockwise because you're moving it up the column instead of down it. The answer is D.
What did you understand?
Nothing.
Okay, try to observe the step number one. In the example, it's difficult to see any connection between the figures along each row. Yes, that is true. We can't
Wait,
find
what
direct
I
connection. Yep.
what I understood is that the top and the bottom of this row have the column of this column um they just got reflected but down, but the only thing that hasn't got reflected is the line between the square, and it
Yeah.
moves
So
45
yeah,
degrees.
yes, that is the reason like it is written for the same. Like
Yeah.
one thing we could find that was yes, that is a good observation you've kept. That triangular triangle is actually being rotated. I would say water image kind of, but not real actual water image because that would be different than that. It has rotated in this part and then upside down, right?
Yeah.
No, not
So
upside down, sorry, flipped in
if
this way,
it's
mirror image.
if the this is looking like this,
Yep,
then that means that if it gets flipped, then it should be looking like this. So if it looks like this, the only answer could be
no, no,
is
no, no. Wait.
B or D.
Yeah. So in the same way, we are having now you are having the confusion in between two, B and D. That is okay. But how would you now distinguish in between these two?
No, the
Like,
question that I have is the
hmm,
circle has two different lines, like either like this or proper
mm-hmm,
straight.
yeah,
And straight and diagonal, yes. After, so if it's saying anti-clockwise, and so the shape is like in this, the shape is like that, and it gets moved to that 45 degrees
very good, very good.
anti-clockwise.
Yes,
But how am I
yes.
supposed to know if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Why? It is simple.
Never mind, I get it. I was doing it wrong way. Yeah, so that means if it's 45 degrees anti-clockwise, then right
Hmm.
now it's like that. So then it should be looking like that. So the answer should be B.
No, wait. It is anti-clockwise. How much? 90 degree or 45 degree? One more time. Just try to get. This is 45 degree. And why are you going for 90 degree?
Uh,
45 degree rotated. So it would go just like up.
So the line is like that, and it gets 45 degrees anti-clockwise. So that would be that,
D. D. That would be like D.
like that.
Yes. Because
But
that.
how? Because that would be clockwise, because clock
Wait.
goes like
Wait. Wait. Wait.
11
Wait.
and then
Wait.
12.
Wait. 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 So this is the line. Um. Like let me draw a line. Just that. Okay. So this was the line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This was the line. And I want this line
Wait,
to be
one
flipped.
second. I can't see. Yeah.
Okay. This was the line.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. I can draw it in this way, like this particular line, this line.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now I want to flip it, not 90 degree, but 45 degree. So for 45 means just half of 90.
Yeah, half
Mm.
90.
And what you were doing, you were just flipping it 90 degrees. So that was incorrect. So when you are
So then,
flipping, yes, yes, yes,
but
yes.
then that's not anti-clockwise.
That's not anti-clockwise. Oh, now you must see in this way. Okay. What about this? If I have, mm, like here. Now, now see. Did you understand anything?
No.
No, no.
No.
This is going up.
Uh-huh.
So this is what like in the same way, like this line we are having here, and I said this is 45 degree, right?
Uh-huh.
And if I want to make another 45 degree, it means this would be like going here and completing a complete circle, and that would be this. I don't know you're getting or not. One more
Yeah.
time. You're getting?
No.
Okay. So this is what this line, this is our target. This line is our target, right? So this is moving and this is already here 45-degree angle. But when half of it will go, then it would be standing like this. So this is the 45-degree rotation put in anti-clockwise, 45 rotation. And although if it would have gone clockwise, it would have been this side, the below one. So even in that
Yeah.
case, it would be the same. Either in the case of the above part or in the case of in the both cases, clockwise or anti-clockwise, in the both cases would have the same line like this, a straight line.
Okay.
Because this is something if understand in this way that was not straight. So if this is 90-degree, the half of it would be 45-degree. And
Yep.
this side also the half of it would be 45-degree. So in
Uh-huh.
both of the cases, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, the line would be straight. Are you getting? This is and
So
this is
have we
anti.
rotated the circle?
Even yes, I was talking about line. Even the circle, you can create a circle. Even if you are rotating the circle for 45-degree, it would go like this. So this line would meet here.
No, but the circle isn't like that. It's like that.
It's like that. 30
Yeah.
degree, 45-degree anti-clockwise.
Wait, can you rub this out?
Bit.
Like this part?
Hmm. Listen,
Yeah,
this
so
is.
the line is like that. So if
Mhm.
you want to be like that, I get it. But it's not going to be 45 anti-clockwise. It'll be 45 clockwise. Because if this is this, if you move it like that, that's clockwise. This is anti-clockwise because like this will be 11 and this is 12.
Yeah, that is
11.
right. This is clockwise. Clockwise.
So why does
Um,
it say anti-clockwise?
no, that is not anti-clockwise. I was mistaken somewhere. Let me observe it once again. What does this step says? Look down at the clock and degrees. Yes, it is anti-clockwise in the first beginning, and then the missing square at the top of the grid. Oh, yeah, yes, 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 yes. So this would be like the bottom part
I
is
get it. I get it. Because if
yes.
it's like this, then it's not supposed to be rotated. It's supposed to be reflected. So if it's like this, then it should be looking like this. What? Yeah, no, no, I don't get it.
Listen to me. What I got it like this part is moving anti-clockwise, but this is the
But
bottom part, so it would go up opposite of it, right?
which part?
Mm, Wait. It must go clockwise because you know what is the reason? Because this is something moving anti-clockwise, right?
Uh huh.
And so if we are putting this into center, so according to this is moving clockwise, right? Just opposite of it.
Yep.
So same here. Now coming to this point, if this must have been above and here would have been the blank, then we could go with B option. But this is the opposite case. So this time it would not move anti-clockwise, it would move clockwise, and that is what written here. Where? Somewhere it was written. Yes, here it was. The bottom right hand grid square must reflect it across to make the top right. So this is the reason it is going clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Not got. You didn't get that?
Do you know what I thought before
Yes.
that? I thought that if the top, if this part of it is like this, then
Yes.
that means, and it's like that, that means that if this part is like this, then this must be straight.
Hmm. No. So this would be clockwise because the above part is moving anti-clockwise, so the bottom part would be moving clockwise. Simple.
What?
You didn't
Wait, can
like
you say that part again?
I said this above part, this is the top part. The top part is moving anti-clockwise, right?
Uh huh.
So isn't the opposite of it true? Like the bottom part must move clockwise or anti-clockwise? Bottom
Clock,
part,
clockwise.
clockwise. So this is the bottom part or above part?
Oh, so you have to do the opposite.
Yes, we have to do
I
opposite. So now the problem is solved, right?
Yep.
Okay, the last one.
Yeah. Grids grids can work horizontally and vertically at the same time. In some questions, looking at just the columns of the rows won't give you the answer. Method 2. Look at the rows and the columns. Look at the first row and rule out as many options as you can, then look at the columns. So if you look at the rows first, they're all white, 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 and then they're all black, black, black. So that means that the first row should be all grey, grey, grey. So this one is wrong because it can't be. Wait, I'm going to do it in my head and translate here.
Mhm. What happened?
I'm just thinking. I think the answer is B.
Good. What is the explanation?
Um. So first of all, it can't be E because all of them should be grey, and then the if because the square is like that, and then this is the line. So it's like that. Then it moves to that. That means it moved one one whole line and a half. So it moved one and a half. But then it in the white ones, after that it yeah, after that it moves one and just like half and then a half again, and then it has that thing.
Hmm.
So that's why I think it's B.
Good, correct. Good job. Mhm.
Stop now.
Tired.
Hmm.
Okay. The grid like this has to be completed. Okay, next class we'll be completing this. Practice questions. Complete the pair. Would you be able to do this?
Mm, not for homework.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Would you be able to do this?
Mm-hmm. Only the first two though.
This page and this page, these two
Yeah.
pages.
Yeah.
Okay. Ch- Okay. Next class would be just remind me, we'll be talking of maths as well, okay?
Mhm. This is the frame.
Hmm. What about this pressure?
That's gonna be too much because the class is tomorrow, and
Hmm.
tomorrow I'm gonna come like at 6:30.
Okay, okay. So you may complete that work only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to sleep or going to do something else?
I'm gonna sleep at around 8 o'clock, so half an hour.
You're going for taking a nap for half an hour, or
Yeah.
after half an hour you will sleep.
I have no idea. I'm just gonna.
Hmm. Okay,
I don't know what I'm
take care.
gonna. Bye.
Anything?
No.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.